So this is our Platinum Award. We got it this year.
ClickBank's been an amazing partner, and what this means is that you've reached $250,000 in revenue.
It really meant a lot to us because it just showed the hard work that we put in, that it wasn't for nothing.
One of the biggest things to be able to get us there is getting a few key affiliates. Because a lot of people want 1 million affiliates. What it is we were able to get 2 or 3 great partners that we were able to work closely with, get them the resources they need to get them to be able to send us some scale, and that's when we saw things really take off.
Being Platinum's been amazing. Cash flow is king, so getting paid 2 times a week has helped tremendously.
Being a Platinum vendor with ClickBank definitely comes with its perks. I mean, you get your own rep that'll take care of you.
Our account manager on ClickBank has been tremendous to our success. Like, if we say we need something on Skype, she's literally back to us that same day and getting us what we need.
You get access to different events, so you're networking on a higher level. I mean, there's different events held around the United States. There's the Platinum Summit. So now you get in rooms with other big players, and those relationships are key because people are sharing secrets that the gurus aren't even talking about. They're giving you just tips that can level up your business overnight. So once you kind of get that Platinum status, not only do you get the higher level support from ClickBank, but you get paid out faster, and you get to go to these different masterminds and events and be able to be in the same room with very high level marketers.
Next year we're going to be Diamond, so we're working our way up. But this is just a good reminder of showing us, hey, you're on the right track. We had 3 brands on ClickBank, and pushing each one of those with affiliates, with media buyers, helped us get here.
ClickBank is the original, the biggest, the best, the juggernaut in the space, and definitely has its advantages of connecting you to the top affiliates, connecting you to the other top marketers in the space, providing you the insight and the support that you can only wish for.